Hey, how's everybody doing today? I've been saving this box for a couple of weeks until I can have time to film. It's a Grove box and I wanted to do an unboxing for y'all. I thought that might be fun. So let's see what I ordered because it's been a while and I don't really remember everything that's in here or what all the scents are that I ordered. This is the stuff that I use to clean with every day. This video is not sponsored by Grove. These are just my favorite cleaning products. So let's see what we got. Okay, this is something new that I forgot I ordered. Garbage disposal freshener and cleaning pods in thyme and fig leaf scent. So let's see how those work. I've never tried that before. I usually pick up something from Walmart to clean my garbage disposal with. Dishwasher, Method dishwasher packs, lemon mint. I use these. These are good. They smell good and they clean good. Some walnut scrubber sponges. I get those regularly. This is something new. Method squirt mop. Spearmint sage scent. I've never tried this. We're going to do the floors soon and try this out. And these are some of my regular products. This is the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray, but I got the geranium scent. I've never tried that one. And the dish soap to match. I order the dish soap and the multi-surface cleaner every month, and I haven't found one yet that I don't like. I do have a few favorites, which I might show you in another video. But those are an every month product for me, and I usually just get a different scent to try out. Okay, Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner in Wildflower scent. I'll probably like this. I don't think I've ever tried the Method Anti-Bac. I know that I've never tried this scent. I'm pretty sure I've never tried it. And I'm really surprised they had some antibacterial stuff with the COVID going on, but they did have this product. And, oh wow, 7th generation disinfectant spray in a lavender vanilla scent. I got lucky. I hit the jackpot with these two items because you can't hardly find antibacterial, and this is going to be something like Lysol, but in their brand. I can't wait to try that. And that's all I got. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm going to put a link down below for the Grove site so y'all can order if you want. You should get a free set if you order a product from them. So give them a try. I like them a lot, and I hope you do too. Y'all have a good day.